Making its debut at the 2023 Los Angeles Auto Show, the 2025 Kia Sorento brings a bold new look, advanced technology, and versatile performance options to Kia's popular midsize SUV. This fully redesigned model features edgy exterior styling, an upgraded interior, cutting-edge tech features, and new hybrid powertrains. The 2025 Sorento adopts a more rugged, adventure-ready design inspired by the Kia EV9 concept. Up front, the SUV sports a fresh interpretation of Kia's signature tiger nose grille flanked by T-shaped LED daytime running lights. The Kia badging has migrated from the grille to the hood for a cleaner look. The front and rear fascias are all new, with the rear fascia gaining new vertically oriented taillights. The X-Pro trim level adds a touch of off-road flair with 17-inch wheels, BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and special exterior accents. Overall, the new Sorento boasts a modern, athletic appearance that retains its family-friendly versatility. Inside, the Sorento's cabin has been subtly enhanced. An available panoramic curved display integrates two 12.3-inch screens into a single curved unit, creating a high-tech cockpit aesthetic. This screen replaces the previous dual display layout. The dashboard retains its basic shape but gains redesigned air vents to accommodate the new display. Passenger space remains generous, with comfortable seating for up to 7 occupants. Expect a similar upscale vibe in top trims, with available amenities like quilted Napa leather seats, ambient interior lighting, and satin chrome trim. The new Sorento ushers in a wave of high-tech features migrating from the EV9 concept. This includes Kia's latest Connected Car Services UX or CCUS infotainment system with over-the-air software update capability. There's also a first-time smart adaptive cruise control system that learns and replicates the driver's acceleration and braking behavior for a more natural driving feel. For safety, the Sorento packs an array of standard and available driver assists like highway driving assist, navigation-based cruise control, and an upgraded forward collision avoidance system with pedestrian detection. Kia's Digital Key 2.0 system turns an iPhone or Android smartphone into a vehicle key for unlocking, starting, and locking the SUV. The 2025 Sorento offers two familiar engine choices, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder. The standard engine makes 191 horsepower while the turbo pumps out 281 horses. Both mate to an 8-speed automatic transmission, with either front-wheel or all-wheel drive configurations available. Fuel economy ratings will be announced closer to launch. Joining the lineup later in 2024 are two new Sorento hybrid models, a standard hybrid and a plug-in hybrid. Specific power figures are still pending, but expect solid gains over the current non-hybrid variants. The plug-in model promises up to 32 miles of electric driving range. Kia has not released pricing for the new 2025 Sorento yet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.